What's going on YouTube? It is Give Me Tech here today, and today I want to go ahead and put out the follow-up video that I spoke about in my last video, which is the Dell 49-inch super ultra wide 5K monitor at its best. So check out this video, tell me what y'all think about it. I'm telling you, it's worth the money. Well, now that you've seen it, hopefully it helped you out a lot. I don't see too many videos about this monitor on the internet, but I'm telling you now, that is a beaut. It helped my workflow. The super ultra wide 5K really helped me out a lot to speed up my timeline, just scrubbing through my timeline and things of that nature. I think it's an amazing monitor. I'd highly recommend it. I'll leave the link in the description down below where you can purchase it. And it's actually on sale right now for what it's worth from when I bought it anyway. So with that said, I'm signing out. I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share. You know what to do. I shouldn't have to tell you. Let's make greatness in 2021. All right, peace out.